What's up guys, Ed here from TechSource, and today I'm going to show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy Note 3 smartphone so you can use it for any carrier or country you choose. So first off, we need to get the unlock code for the phone before we proceed with the unlocking procedure. I personally use the unlocking company for all my devices simply because they have the lowest prices in the market with the fastest delivery speeds. So to demonstrate the process, I'm going to use my T-Mobile version and unlock it so I can use it on my AT&T network. And like I said earlier, it's the same exact steps for all countries and carriers worldwide. So head on over to theunlockingcompany.com, and once you're there, you're going to be selecting your phone manufacturer and the phone model from the drop-down list. And once you do that, select Get Unlocking Code, which takes you to your next step, which is to select what country you purchased the phone from, as well as the carrier of the phone. And please remember that this is the carrier that the phone is originally purchased from. You will need the phone's IMEI number to continue, and I'm going to show you how to look it up on your phone. So open up your dial pad and enter in *#06#, and the code will immediately show up, and you will need to enter that on the website to continue. Make sure you select the correct currency for your country before moving on. Once you select Get Unlocking Code and purchase it securely with PayPal, they will email you the code. The price and time vary depending on the phone, but they do guarantee that you are getting the lowest price and the fastest delivery times. Once you receive your code via email, it's time to unlock your device. So before we continue, make sure that your phone is powered off. Next, go ahead and remove the back plate of your phone and then remove the battery so you can gain access to the SIM tray. Then go ahead and insert your SIM card that's from another carrier into the slot. If your SIM card is a different size, then you have to adjust it in order for it to fit. I provided you guys with a link in the description to show you how that's done. Once you insert the SIM card into the slot, put back the battery and the back case and power on your smartphone. Once it boots up, go ahead and leave the lock screen, and once you do, it will ask you to enter in the unlock code, and this is where you enter the code that was sent to you via email. Once you input the entire code and hit unlock, your phone becomes unlocked and you can begin using it immediately. So that is how you unlock your Galaxy Note 3 smartphone. If this video helped you guys out, feel free to leave a like, and if you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment down below and I will respond as soon as possible. This is Ed from TechSource, and I will see you next time.